Hello friends, my name is Prakash Fanti. Welcome to my YouTube channel Modern Engineers. Today we are going to see what is a use of Markdown. Let's select and rename use of Markdown. Let's see what is use. First of all, Markdown is an option which allows us to use HTML tag. In this we don't have to learn whole the HTML coding, but we have to learn little much tag name and ideas how to implement this tag in Jupyter Notebook, through which we can use all the HTML code over here. First we start with the size. Like as HTML we use a size in h1 h2. There we use hash space h1 size means largest size, double hash space h2 size means h2 size, and triple hash h3 size, and 4 time hash space h4 size, 5 time hash h5 size, and 6 time hash h6 size. They are the size of font. Let's run. We can run through press shift plus enter shortcut key. Okay, this is size. Now let's see how can we use font. Font we can use different font shapes by on. It's like using bolts function and using italic to slide the words or syntax, and we can write in normal form also, that will be print exactly without any print function using. For bold we use double star at the beginning and the end of the syntax. For italic we use single list star at the starting and the end of the syntax. Normal it will be print exactly what we write and where we write without any function using. Okay, let's run. Okay, it is in line. First of all, give some space to look much better. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it's good. Okay, bold, italic and normal form. Okay, let's see one of the most using HTML tag, which is image. Of course we want to put image in our site, so let's see how to use the image over here. Let's use a tag image and source. Source means a place where we catch the image or get the image from. Let's see where we save our image. I save this file in Python, and in this file we put one image also by name photo. Let's see it's working or not. Okay, let's load. Okay, it's open our tag. Okay, let's see the extension. The extension is jpeg. Okay, we only need that much. Okay, photo dot jpg and shift plus enter. Okay, we got our image. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more Python videos.